Hello, my dear adorable children of class 4. I am Vidya Rani, your English teacher. So children, today again I have come up with my third video on chapter number 2, that is the visit to the mansion. An extract taken from Little Woman, written by Louisa Mary Alcott. So children, in the earlier video, what we had done, just let us quickly recapitulate and proceed to the third part of the visit to the mansion, chapter 2. So children, in the earlier video, I had explained about the two characters, Joe and Laurie. Okay, Joe and Laurie. Here, Joe wanted to be friend of Laurie, and once she reaches at his mansion, and they spent time with each other, talking to each other. Okay, and Joe brings along with her a sweet dish to have together, and kittens also to make Laurie laugh. After that, Laurie asks about her sisters. She had 3 sisters. So he started asking about her. Till here we had ended in the previous video. Now let us start part 3rd, the visit to the mansion, chapter number 2. Children, put your fingers, where am I reading? Yes, that's Beth. The pretty one is Meg, and the curly-haired one is Amy. I believe. Laurie paused. He then added shyly, I often hear you talking to each other. Sometimes when I see you all sitting around the table with your mother, it's like looking at a picture. Laurie poked the fire to hide the sudden trembling of his lips. Now, when Laurie had asked about Beth, children, Beth was whose sister? Joe's sister. Now, again Laurie asked about the 2 other sisters also and said, oh, that's the pretty one is Meg. Her name is Meg. I often see her. And one sister more you have. She has a curly hair. Okay. And her name is Amy. This Laurie asked to Joe. Okay. And then he paused a little bit. He just stopped a little bit and then added shyly. Okay. With all shy nature, he asks this. I often hear you talking to each other. Now here, Laurie said that he often hears all these sisters sitting together on a table and chatting and talking. Okay. Sometimes when I see you all sitting around the table, he sees sitting them, and with who? Children, with Joe's mother. All the daughters, he sees all the daughters sitting along with who? With their mother. Okay? It's like looking at the picture. Now Laurie said that it's just looking like a picture when I see you all sitting with your mother, it looks like a picture. And that time Laurie poked the fire to hide the sudden trembling of his lips. Now the sudden trembling of lips, just to hide his sudden trembling of lips, what he did, children? He poked a fire, means he lit the fire. Some woods were kept and he lit the fire because it was very cold and his lips had started trembling. Trembling means what, children? Shaking. Okay? So now just put the fingers on the another paragraph, children. Joe was touched. While he was unwell and lonely, she was happy at home with her mother and sister. You could just come and visit us, she said gently. Mother would be glad to welcome you, and you will have jolly time with my sister and me. Wouldn't your grandpa let you? Now what she said, Joe got touched. Okay? Joe felt very sorry for Laurie. Why? Because Joe thought that when she used to be happy with her own family, with her mother, with her sisters, at that time Laurie was unwell. Okay? Laurie was what? Laurie was unwell. So she felt very sorry for him. And after that, she added that you could just come and visit us, she said. Laurie, when you feel lonely, you can just come and visit us. Why don't you come and visit us? Then mother would be glad to welcome you. And she said that when my mother will see you, she would be glad to welcome you. She would be happy to welcome you. And you will have jolly time with my sister and me. And she said that you will have happy time. You will spend the time happily with me and my sister and my family. Wouldn't your grandpa let you? Wouldn't your grandpa? Here grandpa means whom, children? Mr. Lawrence. Okay? So she is talking about whom, children? Mr. Lawrence. That Mr. Lawrence won't let you to come into my house. He will surely let you to come into my house. I think he would if I asked. And he said that, Laurie said that if I asked Mr. Lawrence, if I asked my grandfather, he would surely allow me. But because he is very kind, but he always keeps on thinking that if I go and meet the stranger, I might disturb them. That is why he doesn't allow me to go anywhere. Okay? We are not strangers. We are your neighbors. And you won't disturb us. Then she said that we are not yours. We are not strangers. Okay? We are not unknown person to you all. We are your neighbors. And you won't disturb us. Why don't you come to my house when you feel lonely? Then Joe and Laurie started talking about books. Then after that, Joe and Laurie started talking about what, children? Books. Joe was delighted to find that Laurie also loved books and had read more books than her. Joe got very delighted, very happy that Laurie also loved to read books and had read more books than her. Okay, children? Up till here, I end this video. I hope you all will enjoy reading this story. Keep on reading it so that reading skill improves. Till then, I will be catching you up in the next video of mine. That would be part 4, and we will come to the end of the story. Take care, children. Bye.